So you're my big people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today, yes, you can see, guys, tuko jikoni, tuko kitchen, inside kitchen ya kuku with Ndavi, guys. So today nawaletea new recipe nyingine mwecheche. So leo tunajaribu hizi ni noodles na mayai hapa hivi, tuone tukimix hizi recipe mbili, they will end up ku bring what into it. So tuliangalia recipe hapo online tukaona, so leo tukadecide tujaribu kuwaletea. So we'll start to have a small sufuria, guys. This one, guys, is here. This sufuria needs some water. We need water, guys. Let's put 2 glasses of water. 2 glasses of water. Is it 2 or 3? 2 glasses of water. Hot water, will use hot water instead because we have a dispenser here, guys. We'll have to add another glass of water. The small glass of water. Then we pour inside here to we will start first by tuchemshe hii noodles, guys. So those are 2 cups of water. My people, waste me lighter, guys, waste me lighter. So lighter already over here. So let's first put on our guys, mi sijajaribu lakini hebu leo tuone venye itaenda kuwa. Mi sijajaribu hii recipe. Love to put noodles. Guys, do you think itatutosha kweli na hii hapa? Hii ni uongo, guys. Hii kitu moja, hii ni ka breakfast. Cha tuongeze ingine. We'll eat today too, mbili. So let's tuone. Moja, hiyo ni kidogo sana kwa mwanaume. Aje ni cow, guys. So we have tried the of two different companies, guys. Naona hii ni ya company nyingine. Let's get into it, guys. We love first to we cover our recipe, our noodles. We give it around 2 to 3 minutes, guys. 2 to 3 minutes. Just give it 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Then we see. So I'm not seeing one thing, guys. Something I can't see here. Need something to cover up here. Nipata nini, but is very totally big. I am never sober. So hiyo ikiendelea kuchemka matikitaka, you need to prepare this tomato. To prepare tomato, some onion, some tomato, guys. To put them ready first. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, mbona uja subscribe? Napitwa na mingi sana, guys. Mbona uja subscribe into my YouTube channel, guys? So our tomato is already clean. Let's take some knife, this little knife. We will use this one today. One onion, guys, one onion. Guys, and to tell me, comment down below niambie next recipe kuwe gani. Recipe ya kesho tuwaletee gani guys. See, you're watching, you're not, guys. You tell me next episode you need to prepare what. Okay, niambie hapo if you need to prepare some omena, uniambie. But I'm thinking of to blend omena tuone inaweza end up kuleta nini. Tukiblend omena guys, itatuletea nini guys. That's my idea only. I am never sober. Then we'll have to put a garlic. Tuongeze kitunguu saumu guys, kitunguu saumu. So hebu guys, mseme hapo hivyo recipe next kuwe gani, na mtuambie content is content going through guys. Kopo kwa kukwindavi we can nini, even next episode I need to host someone, anyone to be hosted. We cook with anyone. I need to cook with someone. If you are willing, you just comment there down guys. Sawa. So nyanya yetu noodles zilikuwa ziko almost kuwa ready. Nyanya, today I need to cut the small pieces. Sitaki kubwa juma nazitaka nyingine. Noodles ni like I am never sober. Our noodles almost ready guys. So you stay tuned niambie. Should I put the nini hapa hivi inside ama tu nitajiwekea kwa ile ingine tuone. Leo tunapika na recipe ingine mwecheche mbaya. Hebu mstay tuned hapo, mtuambie leo recipe yetu imeweza ijaweza na so guys, hebu mniambie recipe next, nasema hivyo. Na kama unani watch tu na unajua subscribe in my YouTube channel guys, fanya makosa. Fai kuwa unafanya hivyo, unafanya makosa mingi kubwa sana guys. So chopping nini chumari ya katakata. Now about tukiblend guys, nini katakata, hiyo katakata ya kuku to blend to nini, inaweza tokea aje guys. Hawana buy blender, my blender ile spoil guys, that's why you see I'm struggling here hapa down up and down nikikatakata. Ningekuwa na blender ingekuwa kazi rahisi. Tumesha blend, blender yangu ilichomeka guys. If you are willing to support me to buy another blender, niliwekea till hapo guys. You skuma something. Okay? If you are just you wanna support me, niongeze maji kidogo cause I'm not ready. I don't want ziungue tutoe vitu mbaya na don't add small water. So guys, nimeambia if you wanna support me, we buy blender, we buy some equipment. Ndio kitchen yetu guys ikaipoa. Mnaona aje? How do you think guys? Even our kitchen must look like kitu tu poa. Ama yaje watu wangu. So mnacheza na katili saa zingine, mwa surprise kijana yenu. So noodles juu ni mingi, nilikuwa nataka kuweka 2 eggs. We love to put 3 eggs in a roll. Tomatoes are ready. Nyanya ni mingi nimekata kai, nilikuwa nataka nusu moja. Just pole 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 mwanaume. So guys, akuko mbele niko section on. Guys, we are done doing what? Doing some shit here. Tumekatakata our onion. Ingia. Our onions hapa, they are ready guys. So guys, we are done chopping the onion. So hapa tunataka tuone hizi spices hizi tunaziweka huku kwanza, ndio tukitoa tukianza kutayarisha our next thing we will know. So stay tuned. Hapa kila mtu kula pilipili na huku na nini, so we are just putting them all hivyo guys. Ingine bado hii kuna mwenye ashaitumia hii. Have you ever? Kama ushaitumia, hebu you comment below hapo hivyo uniambie guys. Mambo ni tikitaka juu hizi zilikuwa zimeshaiva, kwanza nikazima gas. Let's first hizo spice kidogo zishike moto, then we change spicy. Dakika ngapi za spices? Hizi tuzireduce moto kabisa, tuache. So up to our eggs, we love to use 3 eggs guys. 1, 2, and 3. These are 3 eggs guys. After that, we love first to mix it well guys. See, I told you guys I don't have some equipment, but we will buy kisonga. So for us, we'll just have to use a fork, a small fork. We don't have all our equipment. Fork zangu zimeenda wapi? These are ready guys. So yako sawa, hizi to mix well. Mix hadi mix kabisa ikuwe yenyewe, you can see mix. After we mixed, we put our onion. Tukoroge guys, make sure imeshikana very well and very well. After putting our onion. Let's add some tomato. Our tomato. Guys, we add up our tomato. Tomato. Mix till to mix zimixiwe kabisa. We love to put black pepper. Those spices I don't need them today, guys. Those one I don't need them today. So we take this clean in a bowl. We love to take our noodles. All our noodles, guys. We love to put them inside there. All our noodles love to. Then that take our salt, small salt. After putting salt, we mix our eggs. We continue mixing and mixing and mixing, guys. Then we love to pour into this our love to pour up on our noodles. Then on our we will mix it well and well and well. Hadi zishikane, guys. We mix well and well and well and well till they come up all together. They shikana, they patana. See, guys. Like after that, we love to take our sufuria. We love to take our because we cannot use pan. It's kinda mingy, guys. It's a lot, so we cannot use our pan. We use our sufuria today. But guys, as you have agreed, guys, mcheza na till equipment zitakuja, guys. Mcheza na till. Ndomi zetu ni tamu. So our sufuria will add up oil. Then we will take our mixture. We pour inside. Because guys, I can see it's like it's many. We will not put it all. We just put first small inside here, small. Let's just put it all, guys. Decide hata ilikuwa mbaya then tuweke yote sawa. We are giving it a try, guys. We're giving it a try. Or have you ever made something like this before, guys? Let's add up some oil up. So cover up with something for some little minutes, guys. So guys, we have give it some minutes. It's like one side is ready. You need to turn the other side, guys. We flip it. Make it turn the other. First reduce our. I don't think if this thing can turn around, guys. Let me tell you the truth, guys. But we will try our best. Must turn, guys. This one is must turn. It's a must and it's a turn. So that one is okay. First, we'll take it. Guys, I think there is one mistake. One mistake. I've made one mistake, guys. And we've already flipped it, guys. It's already okay, guys. Let me show you guys. So guys, you've seen our recipe for today, guys. What do you think? Like, it was good, or is it's a nah? So for today we'll use that one. Coke, yeah, Fanta. So our supper is this one. So guys, what do you think? Let me know what you think down in comment section, guys. Hapo chini mtuambie next tunapika nini, na mtuambie kwa comment section chakula leo iko aje, guys. Let's meet on the next episode, next video, guys. So we out, guys.